Welcome everyone to the series I call Bench Quickies. You might have noticed I've recently not uploaded as much as I wanted to. My last upload is several months old. That's the reason why I wanted to start a new series called Bench Quickies, where I do simple, small stuff just to get some videos out. I hope you like it. And today I'm gonna refinish some kitchen utensils that don't look as nice as they used to be. Let's get started. And as always, if you want to finish something, you gotta start with sanding. So let's hook up my dust extractor, turn on my dust filter for my breathing air, and start sanding. Oh, and yeah, some parts have to be hand sanded. You can also sand the entire utensil by hand, just as you like. As a finish, I've decided to use some walnut oil. As a kitchen utensil, I would always prefer oil. Lacquer will burn and get into food, and you don't want to eat some plastic. So I always use oil. And even though these utensils are out of olive wood or out of the olive trees, don't use olive oil. It will get rancid and it tastes bad and it smells bad, and I wouldn't recommend it. Use something like walnut oil or boiled linseed oil or some other oil that cures and won't stay, in this case, oily, so it won't get rancid. Let me grab an old cotton t-shirt and let's begin finishing. I just put some oil on the cotton shirt and then rub it on the utensils. I love this part. And I love the smell of this tasty walnut oil. Sadly, there's no smell-o-vision. Ain't that beautiful again? And that wraps it up for today. Bye! Oh.